Okay, so my name is Umar. I'm in Nazaruddin and I joined KTJ last year as a lower six. So I've always wanted to be a commercial pilot, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. So I am heading on to study economics at either the University of British Columbia or the University of Cape Town. They've done a lot from last May, June up until now, from when I started the process for Canada. Before applications even opened for Canada, Miss Susan was on my back. You know, she was telling me, she gave me the lists of universities that I should consider applying to, the documents that I need to prepare, essay guidance over the summer even, when she was on holiday. Even then, she was giving me essay guidance. So it's just been amazing. I've been able to get in touch almost instantly with my teachers, with my counselors, documents, everything has been handled by the Sixth Form team here. It's just been a breeze. Yes, definitely. Initially, it was quite difficult because not only was I coming from the other end of the world, 4,000 miles away, I was also a week late to school, which meant that I'd missed most of the induction activities. But the school really helped. I came late for one of the events because I had arrived at school late. And even with that, Miss Emma was on ground to, make sure that I could take part and make sure that it wasn't too difficult. On top of that, because I was so far away from home and because I've never lived in Malaysia before, I don't have any family here, it was very different. It was a very different experience, but things like the house rugby matches that we had shortly after I arrived and the house football tournaments, they really helped me develop that bond with my housemates and with the rest of my peers and fellow students in the school. So it was difficult at first, but KTJ's support and just in terms of the experiences they provide for the students really helped me overcome that initial anxiety and fear of being away from home. Yeah, definitely. KTJ has a lot of ECAs, and one of my biggest regrets is not partaking in most of them. But the few that I did take part in, such as rugby, really helped me develop as a person. Back in Dubai, I didn't really play sports much. I used to play a little bit of football, but even that in school was very minimal. When I came here, there was so much to do. We have 5-6 grounds for sports. So you kind of have to take part. So, I came here, I found rugby. I've never watched a rugby match before stepping foot in KTJ, but now I really enjoy the sport. I really enjoy watching it. Apart from that, there's also the Cooking ECA. I also dabbled in that for a short while. It was amazing. You learn so much. And it really helps you develop as a person, because there's all these strengths in you that you've never seen before, you've never really realized before, and it helps you realize all of them and even develop all of them to a greater extent. Yeah, and I'd just like to say thank you very much. As somebody who's never lived in Malaysia, who had only been to Malaysia once before this, you've left a lasting impression on me. You've made me feel like Malaysia is my second home, almost. And I'll always feel welcome here because of all of you. So thank you very much.